What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be talking about what we like to discuss on this channel, which is none other than decentralized exchanges. So today the focus platform is Apex DEX, which is a decentralized order book exchange where you can trade perpetual contracts on a decentralized derivatives marketplace. So Apex protocol actually operates in a non-custodial way, offering limitless cross-margined perpetual contracts to the community through their novel social trading framework. And the platform itself is positioned to provide access to these perpetual swaps through their order book model, which means you can get speed, efficiency, security, and transparency as a trader. And they are multi-chain, which means you can use several blockchain networks, including Ethereum, the Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum One, Optimism, Avalanche, Mantle, and so much more. In this video, we'll be talking about how to actually use the DEX to do perpetual swaps, and I'll be showing you step by step how to execute your trades on this platform. If you want to get started with Apex, make sure you use the link in the description of this video, which is my affiliate link, and we can trade together and make some good 10, 20, 30, 100 X's with Apex. Stay tuned till the end of this video. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe to the channel. Always head on over to our main site, decentralized.news. We bring you the best in DeFi. Let's get right into Apex protocol. To get started on Apex, just simply connect your Web3 wallet. In this demonstration, I'll be using MetaMask. So there are many available options for you. And you can use Trust Wallet, for example. You can use a Rainbow Wallet, which I did review before, and so many other wallets. But I'm connecting my MetaMask, as you can see here, and I'll be using the Arbitrum network to trade USDT Perps. And those are the contracts that I want to be trading. So to obviously make sure I do that, I'll swap some USDC on Arbitrum in my wallet to USDC or to USDT in my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so now that I have some USDT in my wallet, I will go ahead and deposit that into Apex DEX. As you can see here, my deposit has gone through. I'll also turn on my email notification so that I'm always in the loop when it comes to important updates about my trades. Okay, so if you want to get started, now that you actually have enabled your USDT deposits on Apex, so it could be any currency that you want to use. I'm using USDT perpetual contracts. You can also use USDC. Make sure you set your spending cap if you're using MetaMask, for example, so that you just kind of make sure you're using the amount that you want to trade with. In this instance, I'm going to do a test transaction to demonstrate for you, and then I'll go on and start doing my trading. Just make sure you pay your gas fee, confirm your deposit, and obviously you can get that deposit confirmed. As you can see, my deposit of USDT has been confirmed. And now that I have some funds on the platform, I can go ahead and go to USDT Perp options that I intended on trading on initially. And when trading Perp contracts, okay, you can actually choose to long or short the asset pairs that you want, and you can decide the amount of leverage to use for your position depending on the margin requirements, and also choose whether you wish to execute limit or market orders. For this demonstration, we are going to short sell BTC USDT pay as a limit order. And once you place your order and you confirm, you'll be notified when the order fills, okay? And Apex actually offers USDT cross-margined futures, like I said, which are contracts that are offered by Apex Pro, which also include USDC collateralized options with no expiry dates, leveraging obviously layer 2 capabilities for data integrity. In this case, doing it on the Arbitrum network, and they have EVM compatibility with multi-chains, like I mentioned before, and you can get good fund security. So that actually ensures that you've got lower fees, advanced pricing, faster transactions, and you can use good, decent amount of leverage making sure you're doing that in a secure environment, which is why I like using Apex Pro. And also, you know, Apex Pro accounts do comprise two distinct cross-margin accounts for USDC and USDT, each supporting perpetual contracts that are tied exclusively to their respective stable coins. So cross-margined trading on Apex Pro allows you as a trader to manage multiple perpetual contracts and within a single margin account, making sure you've got better account capital efficiency and also just get a better user experience in general. So deposits of any asset on the protocol are converted to USDC or USDT collateral, which enables that market access within that same account. So what's really great about Apex Pro is the fact that transparency is very top of the mind, because you can see the information for your positions. You can clearly see the margin you've got available, the total equity, in addition to the open interest in the market as well, which are the open positions on these leverage trading markets. So obviously, regarding margin, profit and loss calculations for USDC and USDT perpetual contracts, these are also conducted in respective currencies, mitigating that need for hedging against the non-stable coin cryptocurrency and avoiding that risk. The profit and loss chart is linear, such that a price movement of $100, that's USDC or USDT, actually also corresponds with the PNL change. And open interest and leverage considerations also do reflect that while centralized exchanges may offer up to 100x, for example, Apex Pro still provides that modest 50x on selected contracts, prioritizing safer, trusted trading and a good environment for traders. So the platform also enables small sort of a manual leverage adjustments for each contract. You can also see all your open positions on the dashboard. What I like about Apex and some of their core features are obviously this adoption of the order book model, which manages the security and transparency that's typically seen in decentralized exchanges, with this kind of speed and ease of use that's characteristic of more centralized platforms. This model obviously effectively narrows the divide for users accustomed to trading with order books on a permissionless platform. So key offerings from Apex Pro include maximum security achieved through on-chain, obviously, integrity using layer 2 networks to bring you lower fees, and obviously making sure your data is secure and you can trade in a non-custodial way. And obviously the capacity for trade settlement is always there, and they offer benefits. Obviously, aside from the lower fees, you get that good leverage, instant settlement of, obviously you can amplify your earnings, and obviously you can start with as little capital as possible. As you can see what I've done in this example, and the multi-chain support means you can use cross-chain networks to make sure you can trade however you want and whatever feels comfortable for you, wherever you've got your assets. When it comes to fees on Apex, obviously they employ that maker-taker fee structure for trade fees, distinguishing them between market orders and enhanced liquidity, and taker orders, obviously, that are immediately executable, affecting liquidity. And maker fees are set at 0.02% and taker fees at 0.05%, with plans to introduce a tiered trading fee structure for additional cost savings as well. Order cancellations are incurred when those actually do happen. There's no fees, emphasizing that obviously charges apply only on order fulfillment, and also layer 2 networks to negate the necessity for high gas fees, which is something Apex is really committed to. You can find out more about the funding fees in the link in the description. I did a whole tutorial on our main site as well. But obviously, this is the fee that's exchanged between traders holding long positions and short positions to ensure that the trading price aligns closely with the spot market price of the underlying asset. And what I like about Apex Pro is that, you know, they are transferring that funding fee between holders of long and short positions every hour. And they also have really good incentives If you really want to go check out what they're doing, they have something called a trade to earn, which is a real good mechanism on Apex for participants who want an opportunity to earn rewards through trading activities. The mechanism actually rewards you as a participant based on volume of your trades. The more you trade, the more rewards you accumulate. And this initiative is structured as a 52-week program divided into several rounds, allowing you as a participant to have multiple opportunities to enhance your earnings. You are encouraged, obviously, to trade regularly on any USDT contracts that are offered by Apex to start earning rewards. And this is something that's really good to really get involved in. Obviously, this year, they are actually introducing the new banana token as the second round of their trade to earn, which will feature the token on the Ethereum network. They minted 10 million Apex tokens locked over 12 months in an initial redeem rate of 0.001. Rewards are set to be automatically distributed bi-weekly among Apexers who are trading USDT perpetual contracts on Apex Pro. They also have an expanded rewards pool and also some airdrop opportunities. So the trade to earn this year is iterated in such a way that, you know, it expands that reward pool, offering additional excitement for incentives. And, you know, you can also get some good airdrops beyond banana rewards. Traders will also get a chance to earn rewards in tokens from partner projects, and these allocations will depend on the trader's overall trade to earn score and specific criteria related to those partners projects. So this initiative allows traders to multiply their rewards initially and also potentially earning rewards in tokens beyond just banana. You can maximize your rewards by swapping, making sure you swap banana for USDT in the banana USDT pool at any point within that 52-week period, adding liquidity to banana and USDT to the pool. Traders will receive LP tokens, and holding the LP tokens during an epoch will influence the trader's average LP token holdings, a significant determinant in the final distribution of the banana rewards at each conclusion of very clear epochs. And a higher number of LP tokens just increases the potential for receiving more banana rewards. And you can hold and redeem as a third strategy where long-term holders hold banana and will have an opportunity to redeem Apex governance tokens on a pro rata basis after the event period at a conclusion of this year, which is the 52-week period, and the redemption rate will be determined by the quantity of banana that is burnt in the buy and burn pool at the event's end. And they have something really cool called the Smart Liquidity Pool, SLP, on Apex Dex. You should check it out. All the information will be in the article in the description. So the pool effectively just makes traders have access to sophisticated market making strategies, allocating their USDC funds to the pool, utilizing automated trading algorithms that capitalize on fleeting market opportunities, and implementing those stringent security protocols and enhancing liquidity on the platform as well. And you can check out all that is in line with the TVL and how you can subscribe to the pool and how you can withdraw from the pool. You can also go to staking and see the rewards sharing and the incentives that they have on Apex, which are really, really good to, reward the community members. Apex did introduce a staking program, which obviously supports Apex and escrowed Apex pools on both Ethereum and Arbitrum networks, which is why I was using Arbitrum for this demonstration. Let me know what you think about Apex. I really, really like this DEX, okay? It's also associated with a team that's built a really popular centralized exchange in the crypto space that you probably know about. All the links will be in the description. Make sure you sign up and you get started trading on Apex protocol. If you've got any questions, hit me up and I'll be able to really give you some step-by-step help. And like, share, and subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love always.